Today, I'm going to show you how to easily resize your webcam in OBS Studio, a crucial skill for anyone wanting to create professional-looking live streams, video recordings, or virtual meetings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to resize, move, and even crop your webcam feed, so you can perfectly tailor your layout for any situation. Let's get started. First, you'll want to select your webcam source in OBS. In the lower section of OBS, there's a panel called Sources. It may have a list of names, like Video Capture Device or whatever you named your webcam. Just click directly on your webcam source to select it. Here's a quick tip. Make sure the padlock icon next to your source is open. If it's locked, you won't be able to make changes. If you see the padlock closed, give it a click to unlock. Think of it like unlocking the front door before you rearrange the furniture. Once you've selected the source, you'll notice a red outline, or bounding box, appears around your webcam image in the preview canvas. Those red squares on the corners and edges are your resizing handles. These are like pulling on the corners of a photo in a scrapbook. You can easily adjust the size and shape. To make your webcam larger or smaller, all you need to do is click and drag any of those red squares. If you drag from a corner, it'll resize proportionally, meaning your camera feed won't look stretched or squished. Dragging from the sides or top and bottom can adjust the width or height independently. Take your time with this part. Sometimes you'll want your webcam big and prominent. Other times, just a small window in the corner. You can always experiment and adjust until it looks just right. Now, suppose you want to move your webcam somewhere else on your scene. Maybe you want to shift it to the lower right or out of the way of your gameplay footage or presentation. Just click anywhere inside the red bounding box and drag the whole webcam feed around the canvas. It's super intuitive, just like moving a sticky note on your monitor. If you're looking for that classic full-screen webcam look, there's a handy shortcut. Right-click on your webcam source, go to Transform, and select Fit to Screen. OBS will automatically scale your webcam to fill the entire canvas, making use of the available space. This feature really comes in handy if you're switching between layouts on the fly, or if you want to switch gears between game streaming and just chatting with your audience. For times when you don't want to show your whole webcam image, maybe there's clutter in the background or you want to zoom in on your face, you can crop the source. Here's how. Select your webcam source again and hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, click and drag any of those red squares. Instead of resizing, you'll notice it crops the image, shaving off edges as you move the handles inward. Cropping can help you fine-tune your framing for a cleaner, more focused look, just as a photographer might adjust the edges of a portrait. After you've cropped, feel free to release the Alt key and resize the cropped image to set it exactly how you want it. You have full flexibility to combine cropping and resizing, so experiment till you get your scene dialed in perfectly. Don't worry if it takes a few tries or if something feels off. The beauty of OBS is you can always tweak things later. And that's it. You've learned how to resize, move, fit, and crop your webcam feed in OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own layout tricks, drop a comment below. I read every one. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more tips and tricks for mastering OBS and leveling up your productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.